Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Woman Runs Over Rooftops to Escape Police." Man, she doing everything in her possible abilities to not go to jail. So let's see.
You're about to witness a chase in which multiple police officers had to run through the streets to catch a woman who had just committed a burglary.
Let's go, boys!
Running McKenzie down toward 8th. Randy, stop! It's the police! He's gonna turn down Park from 8th Street. Go that way, go that way. She's coming back up the park.
Yeah, they got that cardio up today.
Go back. She's right here. Go that way, go that way. She's running back out to 8th. Go that way. She's gonna try to get back out to McKenzie. Somebody go over to MLK. Yeah, she's gonna be in here. There's only 3 ways she can go. She didn't come back out. She never came back out. I came back this way.
They got her cornered. They got her trapped, surrounded.
For a moment, it seemed like they had lost the suspect until this happened.
She's on the roof of Discount Tire. Get down, Randallin.
She's on the roof of Discount Tire.
Oh, she got on the roof?
Right there. Right there, right there, right there. Right there, right there, right there.
Back out to 8th. Let go of me.
He not playing with her.
461, we got her. Man, the phone.
Background that you have?
We have her.
4645 and they have her at 1244.
We're behind the light. The corner of Nathan Park.
Yeah, I'm sure it hurts.
I'm getting too old for this.
You can put it down.
Hi there.
662 clear, Johnson.
You okay, Brandon? No. What's wrong? Sit on your side. On your side. Sit on your butt. Sit on your butt. Stay just like that. I just want to give my friend his shit back so
Alright, just stop talking for a second.
Just so you know, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. What? Can you please look at my backpack?
Where's it at?
I'll get right on that. Where was it?
It's back there somewhere.
In someone's
It's
yard?
probably in the yard or in front of my car.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Where do you have her at?
You mean she left it?
The house behind the corner.
Fortunate.
House. I was trying to fix it. It's scary as oh no.
From the officer's conversation, it was clear that this wasn't her first gig.
Yeah, I was dealing with some fight guy on the east side.
Some what?
Some guy was threatening people to fight, and he had a bunch of like armed and dangerous cautions or something like that.
Oh.
I thought he was gonna fight us, not this. Is this Brendolin?
Huh?
Is this Brendolin?
Yeah, that's all set.
4661, custody 1246.
She's surprised. She got on the roof of the...
She can move.
She on the roof of the muffler place?
Do you need medical attention? From where? From where? From what? That ain't a medical emergency, homie.
No, you're fine.
Okay,
You can go to jail. You can go to jail. No, you're
Ready
fine.
to get up? My leg hurts. What's wrong with your
Did
leg?
y'all hear what she said?
466 DOC.
She said, you need medical attention? I'm bleeding on my pants. From what? My monthly. What? Hey, yo, she wild, man. She's a wild one.
What? Why?
Why? Because I need to clean my nose.
When you said discount tire, I knew it wasn't discount tire, but I knew what you meant. That's the important part.
I was going to store my suitcase, so I couldn't go.
I want to hear all the excuses as to why you ran from the police.
You scared me.
Because we scared you?
Max, I'm trying to help.
Can somebody else transport? I'm down like 8.
I'm sorry, can I please transport?
No.
Please,
I will search you,
Wait,
but
why do you talk like that?
No, we're gonna leave it right there.
I'm gonna grab bus.
Can you make a phone call for me? Call my mom?
No. No.
Miss?
No. I don't do
Sir?
favors for people that run from us.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it. Should have stayed there, then I could have done that for
I'm
you.
scary as
If
fuck.
you'd have just stayed there and not
She
ran
said
from
that
it,
we could pick up my backpack and take it to jail with me.
I don't know.
It's right there
They
at the
find it.
house. Okay, can I lift my jacket up? It's really hot.
She's gonna search you in a second. Hold on.
Excuse me, miss.
It's real hot when you run. I get it.
Anything on you gonna poke me, stick me, stab me, anything you don't want to go to jail with?
Every time they get in trouble, they want to call their parents. Like, bruh. Shit, don't call me. Well, call me and let me know you in there. But you staying in there. You want to act like a clown? Okay. You gonna learn.
Please let go of me, sir.
You should have taken the shirt off
please
before you
let-
started running. You know?
Let-
I mean, just
Somebody have a
you're old
bag?
enough to know that it's gonna get hot when you
I have
run.
some in my glove box right there.
I got a bag.
While searching her, the female officer found multiple narcotics in her pants.
What's this?
Something I should have thrown away.
Something you should have thrown away? Does that mean?
I'm telling you.
That means it's what?
I tossed garbage bin.
Okay.
Will you please tell my...
No.
Or
Nope.
my father?
Nope.
My mom?
Nope. You can call him from jail.
You won't let me.
Why?
Because they never do. They treat
What's
me really
this?
fucked up there. Huh?
What's this?
Tutor, I don't need...
What is a tutor used for?
It's gay.
What's a tutor used for? Anything in your underwear? What? Not before you go to jail.
Hey, excuse me? Please, can you call my parents? Please stop. I need him to be called. It's an emergency, obviously.
What's the emergency? I asked if you want medical, you said no.
Well, will you take me so I can
You're not going to your parents' house. You're going to jail.
Ow! Oh.
Her brain is
Do you have
fried.
another sweatshirt underneath this one? Yes. Good answer.
Confirm.
What?
Confirm.
A burn from what? Stand up straight. Go to sleep. With a torch, maybe?
Wait, where are you in the city?
Is he gonna be okay?
Okay, have a seat.
Is he gonna be okay? I really need someone to call my parents before I get in there, please. I
Have a
beg you.
seat.
The victim explained to the officer what happened.
So I was like, you need to get out of here. I was like, bro, like, get out of here. Like, if you don't have permission to be here, nobody wants you here. We've told you several times you can't be on the property. Like, I don't know, she's, and then like I said, listen, get out of here. You're gonna get the house called on you. Like, I don't have to do this to you. Like, get the hell out of here. And she wouldn't leave.
Has she ever lived here?
No.
How did she get in?
She just went through the back, through the side, and then out to the back. So it's just.
She went through a back door?
Yeah, like so if you go down this, so it's this house right here, it's this Grayland.
Okay.
So if you go down the side, it goes into the backyard, and then just stairs that go up to the back deck, and there's a slider door. She just went in that way.
Has she ever like had permission to free float in and out of the house?
No.
Why would she think she can go into the house?
She's mentally ill, very mentally ill. She's got some very serious mental health issues.
How do you guys know her?
So I work with the homeless on the block right here.
Okay.
And so I've never met the girl face to face until she had gotten to know where I lived, and I don't know how she figured that out because I've never worked with her directly. And I heard her outside, and she'd been down here. I think my ex had given her permission like one time last summer to get water or something like that, and she just took it upon herself to I guess she's hitting up everywhere she knows where she thinks she can go, but she's just got some serious mental health issues where she just doesn't.
Did she steal anything while inside?
I believe I was told a cell phone came out missing, like a green cell phone.
Okay. And you guys can't find it?
No.
Dude, I got right there when they said we got her, and I went, damn.
Well, we went down this way.
So close to getting here.
Boy, cut it out. You look like one of them detectives. You in a suit, bro. You ain't about to run down on nothing. So cut it out. Cut it out. The uniform officers, they take care of it, but don't act like you was, I just missed it, man. Come on, man. We can see right through that, man.
That way, back this way, back that way.
Yeah.
Back up the roof.
She got on the roof. That was the impressive part.
436, 434. Can you have her describe the backpack? Copy. I got it. That's hers or not. Did you fall?
What? Well, she jumped off the roof. I tried to dive after her.
I got down to park when you said she's on the roof. I started heading your way. She's like, nope, she's going back.
And then she ran into the fence there. It's like, I'm not letting you get away, so I grabbed her and just threw her to the ground.
I'm sorry. Can you please
Put your feet in there. No, we're getting ready to leave. Put your feet in there.
Can you call her mom?
No, put your feet in.
I'm hurt.
Put your feet in the car. It's not that hard.
I was doing it.
Put your feet in the car. No, will you?
Started doing. Man, I'm so pissed. You're supposed to take me there.
Here's what they found in her bag.
You're mad because you got caught.
Hello.
Behind my car in the fence.
Huh? No, but I did see more this weekend.
Green cell phone.
A green cell phone? Where's the green cell phone, Brandolyn?
Brandon, you said you were going back. You've been trying to drop stuff off at the house.
This lied. I don't have no cell phone. If I had a cell phone, I would have called my mom to pick me up. It's so hard, you don't understand. Please put excuse me, miss? Will you put the jeans inside of that bag? That backpack?
The woman had a previous warrant and was charged with criminal trespass, resisting arrest, and her bail was set at $20,000.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.